Hi everyone, my name is Jodie Nelson and I'm the Paediatric Audiology Manager here at Phonak headquarters in Switzerland. This video is part 3 in the series and it will show you how to run the Roger verification protocol with open fittings. The protocol is actually exactly the same regardless of whether it's an occluded fitting or an open fitting. However, the curves will look a bit different, and that's what we're going to see in this video here. So let's have a look at what happens to those curves. Remember, in Target, we've got an open fitting, but now in the test box, we've put it into an occluded coupler, and that's what is going to affect those curves. For this demonstration, I'm going to use an Ordeo with a hearing loss that requires an open dome. And I've chosen that simply because the effect is going to be as big as possible so that you can see it easily. First, we run the first curve in the Roger verification protocol, and that's with the hearing aid in Roger Direct, and the touchscreen mic is muted. Normally, you wouldn't have targets on the screen because we're simply comparing the Roger curve and the hearing aid microphone curve. But I've kept them in here just for demonstration purposes. We can see from the curve that it looks as if we are way over target in the low frequencies, but we match the high frequencies quite well. The reason that we are over target in the low frequencies is because in target, it expects that we're going to have sound coming in through the vent, via direct sound, and that there's also going to be low frequencies leaking out. So it accommodates for that. But now we're in an occluded coupler and there's nowhere for those low frequencies to go. They can't leak out. So it looks as if we are way over target in those low frequencies. Now we get a similar result when we run the second curve in the protocol, and that's with the touchscreen mic unmuted. Once again, we assume that all of those low frequencies are going to leak out, but they can't. So it looks as if we are way over target. Even though it appears to be excessive low frequency, we know that this is just purely because of the mismatch in acoustics between what's in target and what actually happens in the test box. So now we do the transparency calculation and we can see at 750, 1 and 2, it is still transparent, even though those low frequencies seem to be excessive. This is a great starting point, but remember to do some sort of functional assessment to make sure that the child is getting the benefit that they need from the Roger fitting.